Wondering what essential oils repel mosquitoes and bugs? Listen in for today's organic gardening tips to learn how to make your own essential oil bug spray. It's simpler and perhaps maybe even more effective than you think. I'm Krista of Flourish, your wellness lifestyle coach using Ayurveda and essential oils. I'm also an avid gardener, a hiker, I love to golf. Basically, I just love spending time outdoors in the summertime. I also live in Canada, where the bugs grow really big in the summertime. So when I'm outside, I don't believe in putting chemicals on when I'm enjoying Mother Nature. That just seems counterintuitive. So stay to the end. I'm going to share how to get a printable version of the homemade bug spray recipe, along with a list of the best essential oils for flies and mosquitoes, plus many other insects. So to start with, let's start with a made-for-you version. So this is what I like to keep handy, and I use it for a base or just use it on its own. And it's the doTERRA Terrashield spray. In it, it contains citronella, lemongrass is in this one, thyme, cedarwood, geranium, and peppermint essential oils are all in this blend. And it's in a base of sesame seed oil, which is also insect repellent in nature. So all of the essential oils in this blend are backed by research and proven to naturally repel mosquitoes. So super handy to have and good tips to have on that one. So when I make a homemade bug spray, so sometimes if I'm running low of this, sometimes I might want to spike this with something different, or I just need a big batch of something, then I'll add in a few of the other oils that also have research and experiential effectiveness, right? So AKA, try it on yourself and see if it works, right? So sometimes we can hear how good something is, and logically we know that's true, but until we see proof, it's hard to believe it. So I remember being at our family cabin, which is in Lake of the Woods country, aka it's bug infested, and I was sitting out there with my dad and my brother and my husband, and we were barbecuing, sitting around having a beer, enjoying the sunshine, beautiful summer evening, except for the flies. They were all over. And it was those big black ones that bite with the big sharp wings and the big sharp teeth, right? So I just couldn't stand it any longer, so I went inside, got the Terrashield spray, and I just literally sprayed my dad's legs across from me, and instantly, I think he had like 15 or 20 of those big flies buzzing around his legs. They were gone, just incredibly fast. I could not believe it. I wish I had it on video so you guys could all see just that dramatic. I was like one of those aha moments, like I didn't know this worked that good, right? So ever since then, I keep that one on hand with me wherever I go. And it's typically the only spray I use, but I do like to tweak it with the oils for the season, right? Because every season has a bug. And the added benefit of using essential oils for insect repellents is that your skin feels so amazing afterwards. The other added benefit when I'm golfing is a lot of these are calming oils, so they help to calm down your nervous system, which is really good if you're on the golf course or doing something like that. Okay, so whether you start with that Terrashield base or just make your own homemade insect repellent, here are my top recommendations to create your own essential oil bug spray recipe. So essential oils to repel mosquitoes. So lemon eucalyptus essential oil, there's some really great research with this one. On that, geranium essential oil, thyme essential oil, cinnamon is a great one for that as well, and lavender essential oil. Okay, essential oils for tick repellent. There's absolutely nothing worse after a day spent outdoors than that feeling of something crawling. Right, so essential oils to repel ticks are cedarwood, clove, lemongrass essential oil, oregano. There's some really powerful research with oregano essential oil and ticks, and thyme and citronella essential oil. Essential oils to repel flies include lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, and lemongrass essential oil. And can't forget later in the season to adjust your blend with a few of the essential oils for wasp repellency. So peppermint essential oil is good for that one, clove, geranium, and lemongrass. And here's the recipe that I made up earlier this year for my daughter who's heading out tree planting. She's living with the bugs 24/7. I put 10 drops each of these essential oils, citronella essential oil, cedarwood, thyme, clove, lemongrass, plus I put in 20 drops of the lemon eucalyptus essential oil. So post below, what essential oils do you add to your homemade bug spray? This is one of those community things where we need to crowdsource what works best in your area and for the bugs that are in your area and your community, right? And so post below so we can all share in that wisdom. I love using plant medicine. It just makes so much sense that we have what we need already around us. This is what essential oils do, right? This is why they were made, was to repel insects for the trees and flowers that they're around. So if you think this way too, then like the video, subscribe to be notified when this next video in the series will be released, and join me for our next Simple Wellness class. This is a class where you get to come and it's a live class, online live class, where you get to ask questions all about what's going on in your garden and in your life. The link for that is in the comment and in the description below. So at Flourish Yoga, we're all about making things simple and easy. So I love the outdoors, hiking, gardening, golfing. So check out the yoga and essential oils resources that we have on our playlists and on our website for all of those activities. If you have downloaded the Essential Oils for Gardening Guide, this is where I share the insect repellent essential oil recipe that we talked about today, along with my basic essential oil plant spray recipe and the best essential oils for garden pests. There's a printable guide that's really easy to have on hand when you need it. Basically everything you need at your fingertips to use essential oils in the garden and to make your own homemade bug spray. So you can spike your favorite organic pest spray that you have for the bugs that are in your area this season. And remember to know your nature. It's just amazing what it can do for you. Namaste.